Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali K, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get this look. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so let's get into this look. I find this look on Instagram and I needed to recreate it because I keep seeing it and I keep forgetting to film it. So here we are, filming it now. First I want to go in with my concealer. Yeah. So I'm going to with my concealer, LU Dark Cocoa. Now I'm going to have my Sacha cream to powder foundation.
Wake me up inside. I can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Save me. Call my name and save me from the dark.
Now I'm gonna set that with some Sacha butter powder.
Wake me up inside. I can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Save me. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up. With my blood to run. I can't wake up. Before I come undone. Save me. Save me from the nothing
So now I'm going to put on some brown powder and put all over my face. So now I'm going in with the Born to Run palette and taking my little fluffy brush, and I'm going in with the color Punk. I'm going in with this brown color right there, and I'm going to put that all over the lid, just all over. So now I'm going into a rip, and I just going to put some of that by the brow bone. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to draw some wings. I'm going to hit my liquid liner. Just want to clean up even the edges a little bit with my same concealer, the Dark Cocoa. I want to do it in a corner liner, but my eye wouldn't stop watering. but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll go in with this black eyeliner. Okay, so I finished with the eyes. So now it's time for the gem spot. Right, so I'm using these gems here, and I'm gonna be putting it. Well, you watch as I go along, we are putting them. Right, so now I'm gonna put on some lipstick. Some lip velvet from Sacha. I believe this one is XOXO. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.